It's so interesting. Dad, how many of you took a class in English and how to write? How many of you took a class in public speaking? Yeah? How many of you took a math class? You know? And yet, we take all these other things, but we don't take classes in listening. Only 2% of the American population has ever taken a class, ever learned about listening. 2%. And yet it's the #1 reason marriages failure too, and why businesses fail. Because either a customer problem, or the #1 reason is people don't feel valued in the workplace. So they aren't heard. So they quit. And it costs a lot of money because we're not listening to each other. And so why aren't we doing this? So I have this agenda to teach as many people as I can. So far about 13,000 people. And keep going. And guess what, Astara? I had a string that the Dalai Lama had tied on me where I promised to teach another 11,000 people at the time. I've now done 2,000 more. And my string fell off. And I think that means that you're ready to do it or something. I don't know. But that statistic is just astounding to me. And there's more statistics about listening if you want to convince somebody why they need to listen. Let's move into some of the skills. So somebody comes to you, somebody's in front of you, and you need to listen to them. What do you do? What happens? Where do you start? Well, first of all, I would suggest never listening when you can't. Be authentic yourself. And to say, you know, I am really flooded right now. I'm in a bad place. I've got 1,000 things going on. I really want to give you the attention that you deserve, but I can't do it right now. And you can say, can we make a time to do this later? If you don't feel like listening to them, be authentic. Say, honestly, you know, is there somebody else who can listen to you? You know, if somebody's triggering you, it's probably best that you not listen to them right then. Let them take the heat off later. And we'll talk about anger in one of the other classes, about how to listen when somebody's angry at you. We'll talk about that later. But tonight's just rudimentary skills. So really, to be aware of when you listen, to decide to listen very concretely, because how much of the time is somebody talking at you while you're, yeah, yeah, and you're not really present, right? So if you can't be present, they're not fooled. They'll get it. Now, there's an exercise that we'll do it another time. But what you'll find is it's a wonderful exercise. Oh, actually, let's try it for just a second. It'll take us just a moment. Could you pair up, and one of you turn your back, pair up with somebody, and one of you turn your back to me, because I'm going to be up here making signals.